Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza Mohammad Hassani, the founder of the optimizationct.com. In this presentation, I'm going to learn how to use the online solver of the 01 integer program. A short introduction. The basis and assumption of the many optimization model in the operation research is that the variable are continuous. But in many real problem, the decision variable are discrete. These problems are called integer programming model. If all decision variable are integer variable, the resulting model is called integer programming model. If all variable are 0 or 1, it is called the 0 1 integer programming model. To solve this model, there are limited software that need to be installed and know the programming language of those software. In order to make it easy to solve the 0 1 integer programming model, the optimization city group had designed and developed an online solver. In the following, we will review how to use this online solver. These are the input parameter for online solver of 0 1 integer programming. N is the number of decision variable, M is the number of constraint, A, this matrix has M plus 1 row and N plus 1 column. The coefficient of the decision variable in the constraint are in this matrix. The first row and the first column of this matrix will be 0. B, this vector has M plus 1 component, which are the value of the right hand side of the constraint. C, this vector has n plus 1 component, which are the coefficient of the decision variable in the objective function. 2 points I should mention. First, the model must be defined in the form of the less than or equal. If the model is in the form of the equality, it's possible to convert the equality constraint into a less than or equal and the greater than or equal. And by converting the greater than equal into the less than equal, the constraint can be converted into the standard form. Second, this problem should be defined as minimization in the objective function. To teach how to use this online solver, we use the following example: a 0 1 integer programming model with 4 variables and 3 decision and 3 constraints is defined as follow. The input information for the model is as follow. So we refer to the website to enter the input data. This is the optimizationct.com calculator, operation research solver, and the 0 1 integer programming. N is 4, 3 is number of constants is equal to 3. B here, C, copy and paste, and the matrix for the coefficient of the constraint, coefficient of the variable in constraint. Okay, we press the run, and this is the output of the algorithm. We return to the web presentation. In the output, the phrase optimal solution found means that the model has a limited optimal solution. In front of the solution vector, the optimal value of the decision variable are reported, which in this example we have x1 is 1, x2 is 0, x3 is 1, and x4 is 0. And in the last part of the output, the value of the optimal objective function is reported, which in this example is equal to 35. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question in the subject of the online solver or any topic in operational research, you can send an email by optimizationct@gmail.com, or you can fill out the contact form in the website www.optimizationct.com. Thank you so much and goodbye.